In this video, I will explain you how to quickly and easily use the copy trading feature on the platform Hotcoin. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Hotcoin, you simply have to go down to the video description and you can get an exclusive bonus right here with up to $900, but also the total bonus can get up to $9,000. Right after the sign-up, you can go up here to the reward center and here you can see the different steps in order to pick up the bonuses. You can get your first bonus directly after the sign-up, then after you've made your first deposit and your first trade. And up here over time, once you reach certain depositing and volume milestones, you can get even more bonuses, which can lead up to a total of over $9,000. To create your account, simply enter your email address right here and set a password or use your Google or Apple account, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you will get to this page right here. And the first thing I want to show you is how you can deposit money. And to do that, we simply go up here to the wallet symbol and then click on deposit. Then right here, we can choose the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit. For example, US dollar Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whichever one you want. In my case, I'm simply going to stick with USDT for now. Then for the network, in this case, I'm just going to select the Tron network. Just make sure that you're using the same network as from the other wallet or exchange where you're sending the money from. And then down here, you will see your personal deposit address, which you can now copy to your clipboard right here and then send the USDT over here. It usually only takes a few minutes for the money to arrive. And I recommend you, if you're sending larger amounts, to first send a small test transaction. Once you've received everything on here, send the remaining amount with the second transaction. So that's how you can deposit any cryptocurrency. If you don't have any crypto yet, or you want to deposit with fiat currency, so US dollar, British pound, euro, whichever fiat currency you have. There's also an option for that. You can simply go up here to buy crypto and then click on buy crypto with a card. Then in here, choose the fiat currency you want to deposit. In my case, I'm going to choose, for example, the euro, and I'm simply going to go for 500 euro. Then you will see different payment providers right here and also the payment methods they offer. So mostly it's a Visa or MasterCard. Then you can simply choose anyone that you would like in here, agree to the terms down here, and then you will be redirected to the third-party service. So that's a pretty easy option. The fees can sometimes be a little high on here. So if you're looking for an alternative way, I have a separate video on my channel. If you simply search for Hotcoin fiat deposit, you will find another video where I will show you how it's also possible by depositing first on another exchange with fiat money. So for example, with a bank transfer or also PayPal, buy some crypto on there and then send the crypto over here to Hotcoin. So once we have money in our account right here, you need to make sure that you transfer it from the spot account to your futures account right here. You can easily do that by simply going here to transfer and then choose how much you want to move. Once you've done that, we can now go to the copy trading feature by simply going up here to copy now. Then you will see an overview of this page and multiple traders that you could follow in here. If you want to choose a specific one, you can also filter them or search for a trader up here. In my case, I'm just simply going to choose one, for example, this guy right here. Then you can analyze his information down here. So the order data, his followers, all of that in here. Of course, obviously, you can do much more research in here. I'm simply going to quickly show you how you can do it. Also, you can see the profit ratio, so how much of percent of the profits would go to this trader, and the rest will be ours, of course. To copy a trader, you simply go here to copy now. Then in here, I'm just going to leave that to follow trader, fixed amount. I'm simply going to enter like $10 in here, for example. And then down here, agree to the terms. You could also set a take profit and stop loss if you want to do that, but I'm simply going to leave that on the default in here. And then just click on submit down here. Then you will be able to see your trader right here. You can see I'm following him. I increased this to $20 because that was the minimum. So $20, I'm following this trader right here. You will see your profit then in here and your total profit in here. Also your orders, if the trader were to open different trades, you would see them in here, or your history. And then if you want to edit these numbers, you can just click on edit settings in here. And to cancel it, just go here, confirm, and then you're also out of the copy trading again. Don't forget to create an account on Hotcoin by using the first link down from the video description to get the best sign-up bonus possible with up to $9,000 in rewards. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.